Hello, my name is Byung-Soo Yu, a presenter. A topic of our project is development of wearable remote controller based on wearable flexible sensors. Contents are composed of these substances. We fabricated wearable drone remote sensors to improve disadvantages of conventional drone controllers. Several characteristics of each controller are described like this. We made two kinds of sensors directly. One is a strain sensor, the other is a pressure sensor, and two materials, PDMS and a mixture of carbon nanotube and silver nanoparticles, are mainly used to make the sensors. As you can see, each property and application is written down at page 4 and 5. Let me explain about a mechanism of two kinds of sensors. A main one is a tunneling effect, which means electrons pass through a potential barrier by external electric forces. Through this tunneling effect, resistance of sensors is changed. We can apply this phenomenon to an on-off switch. There are detailed mechanisms of two sensors at page 6 and 7. Next, I explain about fabrication process of sensor we use. PDMS is fabricated by a solution process known as source cell method, and screen printing method is used in completing strain sensors. Let me mention a result of our experiment. We indicated graphs of resistance changes in pressure sensor. Resistance tends to increase in accordance with pressure and weight. We attached pressure sensors to a human skin like this photo. LED on-off test using multiple sensors was successful. There are 3 grounds of success here. And we also conducted waterproof experiment. We checked whether the sensors are available in water environment through encapsulation process. There is no problem in LED operation in water environment. We also indicated a digital signal using DAQ board, which converts to digital from analog. When we don't push pressure sensor in water environment, the signal is almost 1. LED is turned on at the same time. In opposite case, LED is turned off and signal gets closer to 0. We used a program called Puri and a module which connects two sensors. Numbers are shown at the range down 0 to 1024. Those are adjusted by resistance of sensors. The more resistance of sensors increases, the more numbers also go up. When we don't apply pressure to sensors, the numbers of 4 corresponding ports are closer to 0. However, we can check increase of numbers on each part by pushing our pressure sensors. Finally, we controlled movements of drone to 4 directions using our sensors and the module I mentioned. We attached strain sensors to both of wrists, which are covered by purple band, and attached pressure sensors to both of thumbs. Drone moves up and down by pressure sensors attached to both of thumbs and moves left and right by strain sensors of wrist. These are our conclusion and references. Thank you for listening until now.